In this video, I'm going to discuss independent and dependent variable. First off, let's look at what it will look like on a graph. Remember, independent variable goes on your x-axis. Independent variable goes on your x-axis on a graph. On a graph, your dependent variable goes on your y-axis. Of course, this is a lousy graph, but you know. But anyway, your dependent variable always goes on your y-axis. That's very important, because you'll be asked to graph things in your science classes. And dependent variable goes on your x-axis. And of course, as always, feel free to like, subscribe, feel free to watch any of my other videos, feel free to please check out the description below, and feel free to check out my website. Two general rules govern experimentation. The first of these rules is that the experiment should be conducted in such a manner that every variable, any variable is basically any factor, variable is any factor that can affect the outcome of the experiment. It's under the control of the experimenter. The experimenter manipulates the independent variables and observes the effects of this manipulation on the dependent or response variable. And the dependent variable is the condition being manipulated. Dependent variable is the value we are to measure. Because you can pretty much figure it out, because it depends on the independent. Depend means depend on something, you know. Of course, I'm using the word in the definition, so it makes no sense. But anyways, just remember, it depends on the independent. Depends on something. So dependent variable is what your value we're measuring. And please do not ever forget this. Independent variable goes on the x-axis, dependent variable on the y-axis. Feel free to like, subscribe, feel free to watch any of my other videos, feel free to check out the description and check out my website. Thanks.